back, or welcome if you're new here on today. This is Katrena's Prices Home Life and More. I hope that your week went well. And on this Saturday, this weekend, it's even brighter and better. So recently, Mom purchased us a brand new air fryer. And of course, I did that unboxing on the channel. And if you missed that video, I'll make sure to link it in the description box below. So on this Saturday, I thought, let's cook breakfast in the air fryer. I tripped back to Wally World to purchase this air fryer liner. It was around $5.97, and it's by the brand Time and Table, which I absolutely love that brand. Drop it down in the comments below. Have you purchased anything from Time and Table? I have a variety of cheeses, a red bell pepper, a green bell pepper, some eggs, and some chopped ham. So, freshly grated cheese for today's omelet. Air fried omelet. I absolutely love cooking, and I've been cooking ever since I was 8 years old. On my channel, I have an entire cooking and baking playlist with over 90 recipes. That's 90. If you love good cooking recipes, well, you know what I want you to do. Join my channel. Subscribe today. Hit the bell twice so you never miss a future upload. It's the pour for me. Listen, I tried to get everything. I'm scraping. I don't want to leave any of this goodness in the bowl. Or maybe I'm just greedy. Well, anyway. The recipe calls for air frying about 8 to 10 minutes at 350 degrees. But I will say, if your air fryer cooks really, really fast, reduce the heat so that the top, like anything else, it won't cook on the outside, and now you're waiting for the inside to cook. One veggie omelet coming up. I cut it into 4 pieces, put it on the plate because this is for Mom and cousin Nevaeh. Alongside of it, I made a tropical fruit smoothie. Well, wait, not just one omelet. Here goes omelet number 2. And this is for me because this has the little diced, chopped ham included. Thanks so much for stopping by on this Saturday morning. Remember, videos are uploaded on Tuesdays and Thursdays, 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and a few more sprinkled in between for your viewing pleasure. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, like, and leave a comment, and I'll see you next time. Until then, stay safe, stay blessed, and remember, you are absolutely priceless.